Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a few essentials: your MIUI build and security patch, a stable network, and the Google account you'll use. Once done, go to Settings, Apps, then Manage Apps, find Google Play Store and tap Storage. Clear cache, then clear data. This removes corrupted local files. Don't uninstall updates yet, instead reboot your phone after clearing. These steps reset local state quickly and make further fixes predictable. Now stay with me, we'll reinstall the right components next. Next, you remove problematic versions and reinstall clean ones. First, allow app installs if restricted, then uninstall Play Store updates from its app page. Download the matching Play Store APK for your Android/MIUI build, use only a trusted source, choose the correct architecture. Install it, then repeat for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework, ensuring versions match your Android level. Once installed, sign into your Google account when prompted. This replaces broken binaries and resolves signature or compatibility conflicts that block the store. Finish by rebooting and launching Play Store, accept permissions and let it sync. If apps won't download, go to Settings, Accounts, remove your Google account, then add it back and force a sync. If Play Store still fails, reset app preferences. This restores disabled services, or boot into safe mode to check for third-party conflicts. As a last resort, a factory reset fixes deep system issues, but back up first. If you see persistent error codes, note them, they guide any further action or targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.